Hi everybody. Hello everyone. Welcome to Taking Risks in the Kitchen. And today we're going to make an amazing savory dish. Yes, a savory dish for a change. What we're gonna make, Juliet?
Meatballs.
A normal meatballs?
Not the normal meatballs.
Not a normal meatballs?
No.
So what it's gonna be?
It's gonna be with turkey chicken.
Wow, we're not gonna use minced meat. We're gonna use minced chicken and minced turkey. Well said, Juliet. So remember, all the ingredients will be listed down here. And now if you really want to see the recipe, you need to follow us to the end. Let's go!
Hi guys, so the first thing on our recipe was 3 slices of bread cut into cubes, and remember to remove the crust. Put that all in, get the whole chopping board if you like, then just put it in. Then you're going to put 2/3 of a cup of cold water, then dump it with the bread. Then you're gonna move our hands a little bit. Then we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes until it soaks. Guys, now that I've already started and waited for 5 minutes, I'm going to start to use the tip of a fork until it becomes like a little nice paste. Now we can put this side over here. Now we're going to put 500 grams of minced turkey. Then 500 grams of minced chicken. Now we're going to add 50 grams, 50, of parmesan cheese. Then we add 1 egg. Then we add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Sorry, garlic powder, or I'm just gonna put it in. I'm going to add black pepper. Close it up. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of parsley chopped. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix it with our hands. It may look disgusting, but it's all part of the process. Okay guys, now that I've mixed very well, we are going to start to evolve our meatballs. Take a spoon like this, dump it all like this. Gonna put it on my hand, then start to make into a ball. I know it isn't the best one, but so part of the process. Then just continue the process all over. Keep them separate. Okay guys, now that I'm done with my last one, we are going to use a deep fry pan to deep fry these meatballs.
Alright guys, at this part of the video, I'm the one taking control because we don't want to risk Juliet by the fire. So we're gonna put some oil in a pan. Yeah, so we're gonna heat it up, the oil. Okay, you can use olive oil or the normal oil, and you're gonna put it, you heat it up the pan and you start to put your meatballs in here. Okay, just like that, all of that, all of it, and you're gonna be waiting then to fry. So first process, what we're gonna do, we will fry them in the pan, and then after we'll be adding the sauce. So a very easy tomato sauce to make with our spaghetti. So we're gonna serve our meatballs with the spaghetti, okay? As you can see it, it's already getting the color. Yeah, just keep it twisting it and adding it to the sides. Make sure that it's well fried because chicken is a high risk, yeah, and the turkey also is a high risk. And I will show you in a sec when it's completed, okay? Now our meatballs are ready. You can see it nice and brown around. Now we're gonna dip in a tomato sauce because we're gonna be serving a spaghetti with the meatballs, yeah? So we're gonna add the tomato sauce. And the tomato sauce, the recipe is gonna be on the card so you guys can see it. And as we have done already in our channel, so follow us. I'm gonna be dipping it down in here and leave it for just to do a little bit of soaking on the soap, on the nice sauce for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna dump all of that in here, and we're gonna see it when the spaghetti is ready. We'll come to try. Okay guys, see you on trying.
Okay guys, now that it's done, look at it. It's amazing. So then guys, now we're gonna go to tasting. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the best part.
Exactly.
Tasting.
We're gonna taste it, the most juicy meatballs that we ever see it. So let's go for it. Juliet, you have one, I have one. There you go guys. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's do it. Have a look. What about yours? It's delicious. My one, it's amazing. Guys, did you like the recipe? Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, you talking with the mouthful, not me. Yes.
I mean, you were talking with your mouth first.
Guys, if you like it, leave your like, subscribe, and share the recipe because it's really nice and easy. Don't forget to comment in the box below if you like it, how to do it. We're gonna serve with the spaghetti as well, so it's gonna be spaghetti meatballs, but we only try the meatballs because the spaghetti, we guess you know how to cook. Now, time for us to go and eat our meatballs. Bye.
And it's totally worth it.